What's up, guys? Let's go camping. Alright guys, I think I got everything. Pretty excited. Getting ready to do a little overnighter camping trip. So let's hit the road. Let's head out. Alright guys, so made it down here to where we're going to camp out. It is absolutely beautiful. Just kind of on a little island, so to speak, here at this lake. And some of my friends are over here setting up, getting ready to cook some food. Got the fire going, and we're just going to hang out and have a good time.
Brad, I don't know what the hamburgers are gonna taste like.
They're going to taste amazing.
Slap one on here.
Because
We got them at Kids Kingdom.
look at that. Kids Kingdom.
Yeah, they sell them.
Really?
They sell fish sticks.
Watch out.
Pizzas.
Nope, I got something.
Yeah. They order it all. And
Grilling and chilling. We got some, did you say you had some ribeyes?
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Ribeye burgers.
Yeah,
Replace cheese, mayonnaise, put some mayo chup in there.
I ain't putting no mayo chup. I'm putting ketchup. You eat your hot dogs raw?
Not normally, but
Want one, Jordan?
I mean,
Here you go.
that's like catfish bait, ain't it?
No doubt. That's exactly what he did.
I'm doing that as a kid. Man, I love a good red wiener.
I know. You don't like the big ones? I hate the big ones.
I like the big.
Like
I like
the big
both of them.
brines.
I mean,
Now when they start doing smoked flavored and stuff like that, no.
I only eat them.
That just tastes bad.
You didn't want no bread?
I just wanted the wiener by itself.
I like Nathan's hot dog.
You like Nathan's hot dogs.
I didn't know what you said.
How to translate that.
I was burning. This hamburger's still pretty
I
hot.
really didn't catch it at first either. Then I was like, all right, let me slow it down. I think he said this, but I'm not really sure. So. All right, let me try this here. Mayo chup, saucy sauce. Just do a little.
No, burger, tell me, hamburger or Kids Kingdom?
Yeah.
These ones here?
that what it says? Saucy sauce?
Yeah.
That might be what they are. I don't know. Alright, you back there. Is it good?
Yeah.
You know what I feel like it probably is? We ate at the golf.
Oh yeah.
That's exactly what it looked like. We'll keep going. And he would love
Yeah, you think so? Man, bugs. They're coming for me. Can y'all fit through there? I hope not. Are you kidding me? Is this spot not amazing or what? I mean, look at it. And we can do a little fishing. All right, guys. Had a pretty cool evening just hanging out by the campfire, eating some food, doing a little fishing off the bank. It's been an awesome time. Hey, we're gonna get ready to turn in here, and we gotta wake up early in the morning because we're gonna do a little turkey hunting. Something I've never done before, so I'm pretty excited about that. But anyways, catch back up with you guys in the morning.